Hello everybody, this is Ronel from Financially Fit Life. Now, if you want to improve your personal financial situation and create a better financial future for yourself and your family, you are at the right place, because we have various different tools that can help you on your journey to create financial fitness. First of all, we have a personal financial health checklist that you can complete to know your financial score, and it will show you which are the areas that you need to work on. We also have online financial courses that you can do in the comfort of your own home, and we cover a lot of different financial aspects, from budgeting to master investments to financial fitness in general. Then there are the workshops and webinars that you can attend or sign up to. And then obviously there is my book, Financially Fit and Wealthy. Now you have to read this book if you want to improve your financial situation and you want to create a better financial future. It is easy to read, you will enjoy it, it is a lot of fun to read it, and I can not emphasize enough how important it is for you to start building a better financial future today. So visit the website financiallyfitlife.co.za and see what we have to offer you to help you become financially fit for life.